There might be a common question scratching your head that in an open circuit, if resistance is infinity, then why voltage is not infinity? Well, in this video, we will answer this question. We know from Ohm's law that voltage is the product of current and resistance. And for an open circuit, theoretically, resistance is infinity. If we put the value of resistance in this equation, people may think that voltage will come out as infinity. But infinite voltage results in infinite energy, which is impossible. Let's hold this discussion for a moment and look into something else. We all know that 1 divided by 0 gives us infinity. If we change the signs, the product of 0 and infinity gives us 1. So the same thing can be shown for 2 and 3 and so on. Actually, the product of 0 and infinity can give us any finite number. Back to Ohm's law again. Previously, the voltage is considered infinity on the basis that any number multiplied by infinity is infinity. But the tricky part here is this statement is not true when the number we multiply by infinity is 0. Open circuit current gives that special number. So the resulting voltage is not infinite but a finite number. Let's look at a circuit and try to understand it a bit more. Here there are three resistances R1, R2 and R3 and the corresponding currents are I1, I2 and I3. Suppose an open circuit occurs at resistance R3. So R3 is infinity and the corresponding current I3 is 0. Let's say that this open circuit voltage is V0. From Ohm's law, V0 is I3 multiplied by R3, which in turn gives us 0 multiplied by infinity. We can see that this open circuit terminal is parallel to resistance R2. Let's call this terminal AB. That means open circuit voltage here is equal to VAB. So we can see that the product of 0 and infinity gives us a finite number VAB. Now let's make the resistance R2 open. Now we can see that R1 and R3 resistances are in series. So I1 and I3 both are 0. If we apply Kirchhoff's voltage law, then supply voltage V is equal to I1 R1 drop plus V0. As I1 is 0, I1 R1 drop is also 0. That means supply voltage V is equal to V0. So our new V0 is supply voltage V. The same product of 0 and infinity now give us another finite number V. So depending on different circuit configurations, the same product of 0 and infinity gives us different finite numbers. That's all for this topic now. See you later.